When you lie down at night, you expect your body to recharge, to heal, restore, and wake up stronger the next day. But for many people over 60, the opposite happens. Instead of rebuilding muscle, your body slowly loses it, night after night. You wake up stiff, a little weaker, and sometimes less steady on your feet. Over time, this quiet decline adds up. Doctors call it sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest reasons people lose independence as they age. Here's the good news: it's not inevitable. Research from the National Institute on Aging shows that even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your body can still repair and build new muscle, especially at night, while you sleep. And today, I want to show you how 3 specific vitamins can make that process easier. Think of them as your nighttime repair crew, working silently in the background so you can wake up stronger, not sore. Let's start with the first nutrient I almost always recommend for people over 60, magnesium. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral, for good reason. It calms your nervous system, regulates your heartbeat, eases muscle tension, and helps you drift into deep, restorative sleep. But beyond that, magnesium is also one of the most important minerals for muscle recovery and growth. Here's why. Eating protein alone isn't enough. Eggs, chicken, beans, or shakes provide the raw materials, like bricks, wood, and cement for a house. But without magnesium, your body can't properly use that protein. Magnesium acts like the toolbox. Without tools, the construction crew is helpless. So even if you're eating plenty of protein, your muscles may still be hungry for the necessary rebuilding resources. This is especially important because magnesium deficiency is widespread in older adults. National Institutes of Health studies show that up to 50% of adults over 60 don't get enough. Why? As we age, our bodies absorb magnesium less efficiently. Add in common medications like diuretics or antacids, plus years of processed food or stress, and it's easy to see why so many people unknowingly run on empty. The results can be subtle but draining: restless legs at night, cramps in your calves, muscle twitches, or waking up sore and stiff. I often call these magnesium whispers, your body's way of asking for help. The good news is, replenishing magnesium is simple. A small dose of magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate before bed, usually between 200 and 400 milligrams, is gentle on the stomach, easy to absorb, and supports sleep and muscle repair. Think of magnesium as the foundation of your nighttime recovery routine. It helps you fall asleep faster and keeps you in those deep sleep stages where muscle growth, hormone balance, and healing truly happen. If you've been waking up achy or unsteady, restoring magnesium might be the missing piece your muscles have been waiting for. Now let's talk about the second vitamin most people know by name, but often underestimate in importance: vitamin D3. You may already think of vitamin D as the sunshine vitamin, mainly for bone strength, but vitamin D is just as critical for your muscles as you age. Low vitamin D levels don't just weaken bones, they weaken balance, coordination, and overall muscle performance. In fact, research published by Harvard Health shows that older adults with vitamin D deficiency are at a 30% higher risk of falls. And falls are no minor issue. According to the World Health Organization, 1 in 3 people over 65 experiences at least one fall yearly. That single event can change a person's independence forever. So how does vitamin D help? It acts like a messenger, sending signals that allow your muscles to contract and respond effectively. Without enough, your legs may feel heavy, your steps less steady, or your coordination off. I've seen many older adults regain confidence in simple activities like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair once their vitamin D levels were corrected. Here's another key point: vitamin D works best at night, when your body is already in repair mode. During sleep, Vitamin D helps reduce inflammation, supports hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, and enhances calcium absorption, all vital for muscle repair and bone strength. When taken together with magnesium, the effects are even stronger because magnesium helps activate vitamin D so your body can use it fully. Not all vitamin D is equal, though. Always choose vitamin D3 over D2, as it's more potent and better absorbed. And ideally, pair it with vitamin K2. Why? K2 guides the calcium that vitamin D brings, ensuring it strengthens your bones instead of collecting in your arteries. The best approach is to get your vitamin D levels checked. Some people need just 1,000 IU daily, while others may require 2,000 to 5,000 IU under medical guidance. Once your levels are healthy, you'll likely notice steadier steps, stronger legs, and more energy in the morning. The third vitamin on our list might surprise you: vitamin C. Most people think of it only as a cold and flu helper. However, for those over 60, vitamin C is one of the most overlooked tools for muscle and joint recovery. Here's why. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, the protein that holds your muscles, ligaments, tendons, and joints together. Imagine collagen as the scaffolding of a building. Without it, the walls weaken, the frame bends, and everything feels less stable. In the body, that translates into stiffer joints, weaker muscles, and slower recovery from small activities like gardening or a short walk. The challenge is that as we age, collagen production naturally declines. The World Health Organization notes that by your 60s, your collagen levels may be less than half those in your 20s. That's why many people in their later years notice more joint pain, sagging muscles, and longer recovery times. This is where vitamin C steps in as a quiet hero. It fuels collagen synthesis, strengthens connective tissue, and protects muscles from oxidative stress, the cellular rust that builds up with physical effort. Whether it's house chores, dog walking, or climbing stairs, oxidative stress can speed up aging. Vitamin C works like a shield, slowing that process and allowing your muscles to stay younger for longer. Taking vitamin C at night is especially powerful because that's when your body does its deepest repair work. A simple routine could be a small glass of warm water with fresh lemon juice, or a bowl of vitamin C-rich fruit after dinner: kiwi, strawberries, or even a few slices of orange. If supplements feel easier, a modest dose before bed can also do the job. Think of vitamin C as your insurance policy for muscles and joints. It may not be flashy, but night after night, it supports collagen, calms inflammation, and helps your body rebuild from the inside out. With consistent use, those stiff mornings and sore joints don't have to be your new normal. Here's the most essential truth I want you to remember: your body is not done healing. Even at 60, 70, or 80, your muscles still can repair, strengthen, and grow. Age may slow the process, but it doesn't erase it. What matters is giving your body the right tools at the right time. Magnesium, vitamin D3 with K2, and vitamin C may seem simple, but when taken consistently at night, they can transform your sleep into a powerful recovery window. Instead of waking up stiff or unsteady, you may notice more leisurely mornings, stronger legs, less joint pain, and greater balance. Small changes, repeated daily, lead to significant results over time. And the best part? You don't need complicated routines or expensive products. Just a few carefully chosen nutrients and sound rest can quietly restore what years of stress and aging have taken away. So tonight, as you prepare for bed, ask yourself, what small step can I take to support my muscles while I sleep? Starting with these 3 vitamins could be the perfect answer. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe. I share simple, science-backed weekly tips to help you stay strong, energized, and confident as you age.